Hello everybody, welcome to our e-learning sessions for primary 4. Our lesson for today is module 5, if condition. Now, do you know what is if condition? If means the probability of doing something. Maybe it will be done or maybe not. About the condition. Let's see, in slide number 2 here, there is the structure. How can I form it? If plus present simple. Do you remember the present simple? With he, she, and it, I have to put some cookies on the verb. S-E-S or I-E-S with the verb, remember? With he, she, it, in the present simple, I have to put some candies to the verb. What are these candies? S-E-S or I-E-S. This is the first part. The second part is the future simple. What is the future simple? It's will plus verb in stem. Or if it's negative, it will be won't, will not, plus verb in stem again. Now the structure of if condition is two parts. We have two parts. The first part is if plus the present simple. The second part is the future simple, which is will or won't plus verb in stem. Okay, when can I use the if condition, first condition? I will use it to talk about the possibility in the present or in the future, but under condition. If the if event happen, the other thing will happen. Fine? Okay, let's see the example here. If it rains, I'll stay at home. Now this is possibility, if the rain. If it rains, I will not go out. I will stay at home. Okay, now the second example. If I wake up late, I will miss the bus. Now, if I wake up late, wake here is present simple. And the other part will plus the verb in stem. I will miss the bus. Let's see slide number 3. Now, the use. This type refers to the future when there is a possibility that the if event might happen. So if the condition happens, the action will happen. Again, the form. I have two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. The if clause consists of if plus the present simple. And as I said before, the present simple have two types. Present simple with singular personal pronouns he, she, it, and the present simple with personal pronoun, plural personal pronoun. For example, if I have present simple with he, she, it, I have to put some candies to the verb, as I said, S-E-S or I-E-S. But with the plural personal pronoun or with I have to put the verb in stem without any additional letters, just the verb. The other clause is will plus verbs in stem. Let's see the examples here, and the verbs are highlighted. If it rains, I won't go to the park. Now, won't here means will not. If I study today, I will go to the park tonight. Now, after rains is the present simple, study is the present simple, and go is verb in stem. If I get extra money, I will buy some new shoes. Now here get is present simple, and I will buy after will the verb in stem. She will be late if the train is delayed. Now where is if? Can I put if in the middle? Yes, it's okay. I can change the places of the clauses. So I can say the result first and then the condition. I can say if the train is delayed, she will be late. And I can say she will be late if the train is delayed. No matter. What matters is where is the present simple and where is the will plus verb in stem. Okay? She will miss the bus if she doesn't leave now. Now, doesn't leave here is the present simple. It's a negative form of the present simple. And how can I know that? Because there is if. After if, I put the present simple. And the other part is will plus the verb in stem. If I see her, now this is present simple, I'll tell her. This is will plus verb in stem. Now the next slide. Here I have pictures and the sentence. If I study hard, now study. If you are having a paper and a pen, you will highlight the word study. If I study hard, now this is present simple. I'll pass the exam. This is the result of studying hard. If you eat healthy food, this is the present simple, the if clause, you will stay healthy. The next slide. If it rains, now rains is present simple. He will stay at home. The next slide. Yes, number 6, slide number 6. If they all do their best, now do here is the verb of the present simple. The party will be great. Will be. Be is the verb in stem because will, exactly. They will go to the grocery store if they have time. I can change here and put if in the beginning. I can say if they have time, they will go to the grocery. Both are correct. The next slide. If you don't leave, we will have dinner together. Now, after if, I put the verb in present simple. Because of you, I put don't. This is a negative form of if, of the present simple with if. We will have dinner together. Will have is the verb in stem. If he doesn't do his homework, his teacher will be sad. Doesn't do. Now, where is the main verb? It's do. And doesn't here is a helping verb for the negative form. Now, the next slide, number 8, is about the questions. Now, choose the correct answer. Number 1, if I will pass the exams. What do you think? If I, exactly, if I study. Why didn't put studies? Because this is I. And I with the present simple, just verb in stem. If I study hard, I'll pass the exam. Number 2, if the sun shines. Now shines here is the verb. We, this is the next sentence. We will walk in the town. Exactly, will walk. Number 3, if he a fever, he will see the doctor. If he has, exactly, why has? Because this is present simple. If he has a fever, he will see the doctor. If my friends, I'll be very happy. If my friends come, of course, if my friends come. Number 5, if she earns a lot of money, she to New York. Here I have the word if after if present simple. So this is the next sentence. She will fly. Exactly. Because this is the result. Number 6. If we travel to London, we, the museum. If we travel to London, we will visit. So I can't put both words, if and will, in the same sentence. We have to put them in different sentences. Be sure of that. If we travel to London, we will visit the museum. Number 7, if you sandals in the mountains, you will sleep on the rocks. You will sleep on the rocks. This is the result. So where is the main clause? If you wear. Why wear? Because you, after you comes the verb in stem. If you wear sandals. Number 8, if Rita, her homework, the teacher will give her a low mark. Now, low mark, if Rita forgets. Why forgets? Because Rita is a girl, singular pronoun, she. If Rita forgets her homework, the teacher will give her low marks. Number 9, if they to the disco, they will listen to loud music. So if they do what? If they go to the disco. I can't put when and I can't put will go. So if they go. Number 10, if you wait a minute, now this is the rest of the second sentence. I will ask my parents. I will ask. Now for the last slide here, the rewrite the following sentence using the words in bracket. I study hard this year. I passed this year's exam. I want to use the word if. Now where is the main clause? Study hard. Now if I study hard this year, I will pass the exam. If I study hard this year, I will pass the exam. Number 2, the weather is fine. We go on a picnic. Where is the main clause and where is the result? Now, if the weather is fine, I'll go on a picnic. I can't say if we go on a picnic, the weather will be fine. Of course not. The main clause here is the weather is fine. So if the weather is fine, we will go on picnic. Number 3, if she travels to London, she will visit the museums. I want to change this form to a negative form. Now, if she doesn't travel to London, she won't visit the museums. If she doesn't travel, she won't visit. Both are negative forms. Number 4, he makes troubles. He goes to the principal. I want if. Now, where is the result and where is the main clause? Of course, making trouble is the main clause. So, if he makes troubles, he will go to the principal. I will remove goes and put will plus verb in stem. So, if he makes troubles, he will go to the principal. Number 5, I have enough time this evening. I watch a movie. Now, where is the result and where is the main clause? The main clause is having time. The result, watching TV. Now, the answer will be, if I have enough time this evening, I will watch a movie. Will watch. Okay? Now, we have finished our session for today, and thanks a lot. See you soon.